The fourth common error in this category is that many Muslims, they read unauthentic dua during iftar. The most authentic dua, as far as iftar is concerned, is Zahaba Zama, Wabtallati Uruku, Wasabat al-Arj, inshallah. Which means that my thirst is quenched, the veins are moistened, and the ajr is near, inshallah, God willing. The reward is near, God willing. And some people, when they read this dua for breaking the fast, they say it before breaking the fast. Before they put their date in the mouth, they say this, and it is contrary to the meaning. The meaning says that my thirst has been quenched. Zahaba Zama, Wabtallati Uruku. My thirst has been quenched, and the veins have been moistened. Your thirst cannot be quenched before breaking the fast. So normally it should be said after you eat the khujur, after you have water and you're satisfied, maybe after some minutes, after you break the fast, then you can read this dua. Zahaba Zama, Wabtallati Uruku, Wasabat al-Ajr, inshallah. Which means my thirst has been quenched, the veins have been moistened. The reward is near, inshallah, God willing.